What is up, everyone? This is CG Investing here. Um, this will be the first YouTube I will be posting regarding my positions. I'm going to be starting with my options portfolio. You guys will be seeing this on the Gold Standard Discord that is ran by me and my brother, Cole Trades. Most of my options portfolio is SoFi Leap options. Knowing if you guys know me and Cole, we are both on Twitter. Mine will be CG Investing, and Cole will be Cole Trades. We are very bullish on SoFi, and we definitely make that put that out there for you guys to see. So like I said, most of my options portfolio is through SoFi Leap options. So we'll start with the first one with the first expiration date. We're going to see my options category over here. So the first one we've got is this $30 call expiration January 16th of this coming year in 2026. I got one buy at it. We'll click into it here real quick. So market value is there, current price. So my average cost, bought in at $177. My break-even cost is there below it at $31.71. Got one contract, one bought or one buy, and then my total return, which is 113% here. Been very happy with that. With SoFi, we are waiting for some huge news, which is going to be the crypto launch, the loan platform launch. We've got the S&P 500 inclusion. We'll be hoping to be included in December. We've got the rate cuts that recently just happened that should be bringing in some more customers, more businesses, and more future homeowners. So I am bullish for the rest of the year of 2025 with SoFi and expect to see at $35. And SoFi's current cost is, where are we at? Is $28.59 is the current cost. So yes, this is the first one. I am up 113%. Really happy with that. With the expiration kind of coming up here in the next, you could say 4 months or so, I will be debating on holding once I get around that 150 to 175% return on that. Okay, jumping to the next one. What's the next one? It's going to be, here we go. So 2022 or a $22 call that is going to be expiring in June 18th, 2026. My market value, look at that, marked right at 1,000. Average cost was $455 is what I bought it at, and we are at a return of 119% at $545. Again, this is one where I've only got one buy into this, which I wish I had more cash on hand when I was buying these, but didn't. But yes, really happy with this. I will definitely be holding on to this into 2026, and we'll be holding this one a lot longer, looking for a 200 to 300% gain before getting out of that. Jumping over to where are we at here? The 2027 calls. These are going to both expire here in January of 2027. So these are your big leap options. One cost a lot, but the safest option. I believe SoFi will be $260 by the end of the year. We've got people out there saying $100. I don't know if I quite believe $100, but I do believe that $60 to $75 is very realistic. So yeah, we'll just click into this $35 call here. Just go over the performance so far. So, all right, average cost $3.77 comes to $377. Here's our break-even cost. This is also when I bought it here. I bought that in August 19th. I do have 2 purchases of the $35 call here. Total return right now is 75%. SoFi has had a bummer of the last 2 days, so this was a lot higher, but still happy with the returns I've got so far. This is crazy. I don't get why people just sit their money into the S&P 500 when leap options like this can in literally a little over a month can jump 75%. So this is another one I'm going to be holding well into next year. Like I said, I do predict SoFi to be to $60 to $75 by the end of next year. And then looking into our last SoFi Leap, it's going to be the $40 call. Got one purchase of this one. Date bought this at the beginning of September here. Average cost of $340 with a $200 return at 58%. Really like this as well. Like I said, I'll be holding this well into 2026. Probably the end of 2026. And I'm looking for 300 to 400% return on this one as well. So yes, those are my SoFi Leaps, or my SoFi options right now. I do have American Airlines. I do really like American Airlines shooting to $18. It has been a roller coaster for the chart over the last 4 years or so, but do believe in the company. It is also September. Airlines income and revenue is always low. Business is low. Nobody travels in September. So I assume, or I predict, that once we get through September, October, and November, once we get to October and November, that we will see that push to $18. Currently, I am down 8% on this option. About 2 weeks ago, we saw American Airlines to about almost $14, and was up 100% on this call. And I kind of just held off because I know the potential that American Airlines has, and I've got a little bit out before my expiration date, which is 12/19. So yes, and my average cost is $83. So I have lost some money on this one, but I am still confident in it. Like I was saying, about a month ago or beginning of the month, we had $1.82, which was great returns. I was very happy with. So yes, this is kind of my options portfolio. I plan to add to this. This will be my first post updating to you guys on the Discord. This is, like I said, this is my first one, so give me any feedback. Let me know if you want me to go in detail on anything else. I will be making another video either today or tomorrow and posting a few positions. Probably a couple, 2 or 3 positions I will be opening within the next couple days. And then also, if I don't believe it's great buy cost, I will hold off and wait. But I will definitely be purchasing one this week, and then 1 or 2 more after that one I will be looking to get into as well as prices drop, because the market is uncertain right now and no one really knows what's going to happen over the next couple weeks. So that's it from CG Investing. Be sure to tune into the Twitter, which is CG Investing. I post a lot more on there. I'm a lot more active, but I do plan to get more active on the Discord as well, which is the gold standard. I will have the gold standard invites in the description of my YouTube channel here, and then as well, if you guys are coming from the Discord, be sure to check out my Twitter, which is CG Investing. I'll have it in the comments below. So, all right, well, thank you guys. Take care. Have a good one. And like I said, stay green, and let me know if there's anything I should up from this. Appreciate it.